Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can close your MetaMask account permanently. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you gotta do is simply open up your particular MetaMask app on your phone. Once you have opened it up, this is how it's gonna appear. And now over here, simply tap on this option of gear icon given on the bottom right. Then on top you will find general and security and privacy. Tap on security and privacy. Now from over here you simply have to scroll down to the bottom, and right away you will find two options, which is delete MetaMask Data and delete wallet. Now you can choose to simply remove data and rebuild your account as well. Otherwise, if you simply want to delete your wallet, then tap on delete wallet. Now you can see I understand and continue that you have to simply press on that, and now type in delete as it has instructed. Once you have tapped on it, you can see this delete my wallet option will light up. Now it's accessible. Now tap on it. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.